think they're fierce. That's a mistake, all queens and me.
Pretty girl got her own whip. Pretty girl got her own grip. Pretty girl got her own shit. Keep her nails done, hair done, bag on thick.
What's up, Fierce gang? I'm Tashfierce and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hit the subscribe button and join the gang. You want to say hi?
Hey guys. Oh my god, I feel so weird.
Yo, makeup don't finish because you know we evaluate. Me just eat this. Always late. But I say good things take time.
Period.
So today we're going to Portland. So this is another Portland vlog. And I'm going to vlog the journey. My wig na put on good, my makeup na put on good because it is 7 a.m. Curfew is bombarded. So my eyeshadow did bright. Jesus Christ. People, I don't do this bright shit. Yeah, it's 7 a.m. You know, curfew is, well, it's about to 8 now, nah?
Yeah.
To 8 now. And curfew is at 6, so you know we need to go in and out quick and fast because Portland is like 3-hour drive, 4?
Long.
Yeah, enough hours long. So yeah, join me on the road. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and by the end of the video you must have a comment. Leave a comment. I hope you all enjoying these vlogs because a beer vlog me I post recently. I'm outside here. Oh, I'm outside. We need mask.
Yeah.
I come have my 2 freaking pink masks I'm putting at the jar and I forgot them. So what make a little stop? You need to get used to the vlog, you know? Aren't you now a YouTuber?
Yeah?
Hey guys.
Oh, the pre-years are started? Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing good. Whoa. Calm down, sir.
So they want to drink them, no?
No, that doesn't walk with them with the cover.
Right.
Walk with them with the cover.
You have hand sanitizer? Can I get some, please? I don't understand why everybody has condoms so far.
No, we have to get them.
It's the lighting for me, the sun. Guys, me not just here again. We know the seat probably like one time I think. But yeah. And you know, I don't eat fish, but I actually like the fish tea. Not tea, soup. Why me I follow any say tea?
That's the name of it.
Anyway, guys, I got fish soup. I got fish soup. Yeah? I got fish soup and festival. That is not a tea, that's a soup. Who tell us so? When they ask you what you say fish?
Tea.
Soup.
Tea.
And I say what kind of soup they have, they say fish. People, come leave it in the comment section. Is it fish soup or fish tea? And get stopped by police. I saw the AC probably a kilo and probably can't hear nothing. So loud bad. Everything low. The AC low, the car low. Initially we were supposed to go river.
By the time we reach home, we're partially dead. literally. So my face white, I look like man. What is that?
Me see your face? Is your foot just cock up so? You sell foot picture?
Yeah, guys.
No, it's just yours to look light.
Yeah, because I like to concealer the funny. I mean, I look weird.
Initially, them say river, in which a river me want to go. Me not like beach, me have a sunburn, me not have no sunscreen.
I'm gonna stand.
Me not like beach, you know?
I'm pick some sun picture. How ass I look.
But we don't burn up though. And beach barely ever have shade.
Like I'm sunscreen now.
That. I think I'm going in the salt water.
You're not going to water?
Me hate beach water. Like, honestly, me know me's a Jamaican island girl, but me hate beach water. Rivers, please, rivers. Yeah,
Yeah, man.
I got to look at
Hot. Sitting here, matter down. We split hot too. It's been a talk about still them mad. Me stand negative energy. I make one time traveling machine gun in a dimension.
I be a big long gun
in the fire when man I roll quick while I'm up one in the head top. Yes, I from easy and trust. Then I talk about still them mad.
like, it's either left or right. Why do I take so long? Left or right? Beside the left or right, my either left or thing or them right him up. Leave up and make up your mind. Pick a side. Guys, so I'm never get no option for left or thing. This is Richard, by the way. Richard, say hi to my vlog.
Hello everybody.
It's the hello everybody for me. Guess how much people you think you have to hello to? Like, give me an estimate.
Like 2,000K.
2,000?
Yeah.
If it's 2,000 people. Richard, guess again.
None of that.
That's not enough.
Really?
Guess again.
Alright, $1 million.
A little down me thing, you know.
Really, Tash?
Yeah, so the man end up and get a ticket and he just speed off quick and fast. So he made him speed off from when him there the police?
Yeah.
In grimy? Then can't take him again? So for other police stop him, then can't take him? So guys, we arrived at the beach. What you call WINIFRED?
WINIFRED feels so nice.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna give you a little short tour. It's not, it's kind of cute. It's kind of, you know, it's
Have a little view.
it's not giving what it's supposed to give for the amount of for the bleep. So yeah, we're gonna show you the look of something we are going to feed. And then we're gonna change and take some pics. She already changed to take some pics. Well, not changed, but ready to take some pics. So yeah, we're just walk right now. But there's not even much to walk to. Guys, as you can see, it's not really much. You have like some. I saw them shots here, people hang out them shots. So then have this where you can play and games if you want, I guess. And there's a little swing up there as you see, look a guy, look a boy upon it. Not me giving a tour like I'm getting paid. So we change. This is Jan's outfit. Yes, give them a turn. Guys, me try go for a little natural hair vibes. So yeah, we're gonna just take some pictures. Hopefully, we can get something good. And then probably just chill in the water for a bit. Guys, there's a swing. Probably go on it afterwards. Not right now. So I go right down here, so go take a pic. Watch Yannick, she childish. And they know say me I jump on it too. You're not going further than the ground?
Hardly two.
No, okay, lower. Your phone crack up? Oh.
And I can say Jack.
The screen crack up?
Yeah.
Or the shield?
Two of them.
Recently?
Yeah. And your brick boss said just change the quick and fast, you didn't even realize. I leave little sandals right here, so. I'm going to try to go walk down here. Not the water. Woo! Water look well. You're nasty. Let's see how long this I get. Come here, bring this going at the water for. We literally see if we can walk go down there so we are civilized. But ew, this feel cranny. This feel very cranny. Yeah, you just pose right there, so thumbnail. No, just stay right there. So. Thumbnail. We out. You know the TikTok me later? Say what we say? We out. You wanna know where we at? Tell them where we at. We outside.
Hello? Where we at? Oh, you want to know where I'm at? We outside!
I got it well low too. Watch swim. Watch merman. Watch swim. Girl, we can't go down there, so man. No, man, we can't go reach down there, so. Look at water there already. Yannick literally went on that to take pic. And anything for the gram. Doing it for the gram. Go on, test it. Test the water. Hi, hello. Prada. That weak, Yannick. That's tush. Your turn. Now do that. Go on. Now do that. Never drop. You not drop.
Oh, looks Tusha now. Oh, looks Tusha now.
I'm just weak.
It is weak.
Yes, Yannick, the trip as the lifeguard to go on the boat and the man says a picture we're not gonna take. You know what? Tell them about your music.
No,
everybody do music.
Listen, I do music, and people will smoke up them weed and like they head out to go to music.
Some people smoke up. Hey, man, we ask about weed that they do.
No, so look on them comedian there, so I couldn't go interview them.
We're not interviewing nobody.
Yeah, but my response to pretty girl them and some kids and the
Yeah, we are go up in there? In there big, in there very evil.
in the look front door. You can go up on the front and stand up on your front. Get some nice.
Wait, you go up in there? No. But I'm
You can't jump. Remember jump down things over your boyfriend.
Here it is. Fence. Oh, me go up in the boat.
Alright, hold your friend phone and your friend are going to
No,
lift
the one
you
you actually a record. So, record. Oh.
Okay, you are lift her in. You want all the phone them and lift her in?
Okay, now we have to record it. 1, 2, 3.
Take your time, one up on your up your friend. Listen. Yo, Kuyano? No, everything that's on your card, you know. Make sure, set me and make it you alive.
She brought my favorite glass, people.
I
mean, I don't take a picture. No, put up a phone, man. We are going to go up the bed, we say. I put my name back in too.
I have to laugh off all the blood.
You need dropping on my head, you know?
Yes, I'm going to see that. And all the funny video. I put her up back in here. Listen, you go up in here and you hold the camera here. Yeah, take your time. Take your time.
Why people let me flex every whole on? Sorry. Damn, let us boom up.
Strength, no weakness, mind, body, so complete.
Thanks.
You know, I catch
You might come up here and see.
Oh, yeah, good. Thanks.
You need the assistance. What an adventure. Oh,
And what? Oh, we can't go better then. Oh. I guess maybe that's the amigo.
no, sir.
Yeah? Yeah.
You can't take picture of yourself though, you know, because the sun in the wrong direction. So all of this
You look
up.
like say you have to go better.
You're mad. I think with my phone and with your phone.
Nothing
No, me not go up the door, make him go up there.
Yo, we take up back this so this can't fix now.
Yeah, man.
See, broke it.
Something I gotta do about it though.
Broke it, man.
Oh, it's not screw?
Broke.
You want to go up there?
Yeah?
Guys, cut up. My favorite glass. No, me not no favorite glass. Guys, we just stay up on the boat.
Oh, God.
Guys, my glass broke. I don't know, I said the glass, make me cut up. I cut the up.
Sorry. I'm going to get her out next one. But the sponsor I check. She's to keep her another one.
Before she said she got buy more one, you know? Tell about them people, yeah? Tell about them. Want this. Want this.
Okay.
Take it off and give me it.
You want to wear 2 glasses
Right now.
Come, 2 glasses. You want to buy.
Bad. Glad.
Oh, shit.
Give me try it on. Try and make my prospect. When I say bad, should I keep it like y'all in the comment section? Let me know. Should I keep it or should I return it? Is this your favorite glass? Yeah, guys. So let me know. Should I keep it or should I return it? Right this way now. The phone. And the elder them they're right up there, so I don't want to show them. No, low-key show them. They must say they like them view. Watch them. Guys, I guess this is the end of the Portland trip. Yanni catching water. Mama outside, she's so nice. People with hookah. I met a subscriber, but guys, I'm shy. I'm shy and awkward. We don't get to do nothing for we being and take picture. You say what time we come? The 2 hours, 3 hours picture. Then you take 2 hour picture and me take 1. Stop it. Alright, divide it up. How you go then? How you go then? 2 hour, 1 hour. Man, not even 1 hour. So guys, we are leaving. It is what time now, Yannick?
Now is 3:47.
3:47. I know we're not gonna reach Kingston by So
They literally posted
hello, that means I'm gonna get arrested and I spend money. So please don't watch the ads. I'm gonna drop my PayPal because this is for the vlog. So guys, we need about 100k the little money. But we spend on a tree away. Don't Richard?
Right.
Don't
just a ride.
So make sure you watch the ads because we do it for the vlog. And we drop my uncut. Like my hair get cut like oh my god. You need to mash up my glass. And please in the comment section say keep the glass. So I'm not feel bad if I take it. And oh I took my makeup off even though my skin is breaking out, but you know. Here I don't didn't get to do much or vlog much because of the damn curfew. But y'all still gonna get a vlog. I hope y'all enjoy it. And I think this is the end of it. I don't think anything exciting will happen with that drop again. No more cuts. No more police. Hopefully no more police. So this is literally 3 police. Woo. And a bag of things going today. Today was crazy. But you know we outside. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and comment down below. Bye guys. Yanni, come say bye with me.
Bye,
Bye guys. Reach the camera. Reach it.
I will say one cup.
One for me.
Yes, sir.
Same up on him PR one for me. That's our.
Come on, they can video today for that class.
So if somebody really offer you some carry them go like Bobby, you gonna carry them? Say me back here for today. Say you just put it there for sport, then you know really.